Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply security limitations on Google Drive. Let's get into it. First, open the sharing menu. Find your file in Google Drive, right-click on it, and select the share button. Look for the small gear icon at the top of the sharing box that just opened. This secret gear icon holds the special locks that keep your latest files safe from being copied or changed by others. Next, stop others from changing permissions. You want to make sure that people you share the file with cannot invite even more people to see it without asking you first. In the Settings menu, find the box that says Editors can change permissions and share. Click the box to uncheck it for your file. It ensures that you are the only owner of the file. No one else can give your work away to someone you don't know. Next, block downloading and printing. Now you can tell the computer that people are allowed to look at your file, but they are not allowed to keep a copy for themselves. Look for the second box that says Viewers and Commenters can see the option to download, print, and copy. Click the box to uncheck it. By turning this off, the buttons for download and print will disappear for everyone else. It ensures your ideas stay right where they belong on your screen and nowhere else. And that's it. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.